Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From the situation where the car carelessly crossed the road, causing a serious accident, to the situation where the car ran a red light, causing an accident with severe damage. This video is created for educational purposes and highlights the clear dangers of carelessness behind the wheel. Join us to witness some astonishing moments on the road while learning valuable driving lessons. Let's get it on. Please be careful when crossing intersections. Everyone. Slow down. Everyone. Yielding to each other is a good idea. Trust me. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Hey buddy, don't cross the street so carelessly. Be more cautious before crossing, okay? Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it.
Come on, see, I knew it. I knew it. He'll drive himself.
That's a classic case of overestimating your driving skills. Curves demand respect, not recklessness.
Phrase for this product. So what I can do is go back to the other listings and kind of
as long as you keep a safe distance. Even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. All I can say is drive carefully. You never know when you encounter a distracted driver. Oh my, don't try to beat the red light man. I hope everyone is okay. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intentions to other drivers. If another driver cuts you off, remain calm and take a deep breath. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously because any time can be a hydroplane moment. Bro, make steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. Ups, maintaining a safe distance can prevent chain reactions. Having enough space allows you to stop gradually. Do not imitate this. If you don't want fines or even license suspensions, stay alert, guys. It seems the black car had a front tire blowout before the accident occurred. Make sure to check your tires before driving on the road. Everyone. No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. Never tailgate guy. A general rule of thumb is to follow the 3-second rule, old but gold.
SoJ.com on your smart speaker with the Alexa skill. It is so convenient. And of course, on your radio at 94.1 FM.
The most important thing is to stay calm and in control behind the wheel. Never speed, even if you're in a hurry. Everyone. Slow down when approaching intersections to avoid serious accidents. Everyone.
Holy fuck! Holy.
This incident was simply a failure to maintain a safe distance. Fortunately, no one got hurt. It was definitely the other driver's fault. He was worried about the traffic behind him, thought he saw an opening, and rushed into it. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Keep your eyes on the road and your surroundings. At all times, avoid driving with fatigue or drowsy, as it impairs concentration and reaction times. Man, stay calm and have a patient driving attitude. If you notice erratic driving from nearby cars, be prepared for sudden lane changes or swerving. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.